Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Cellcard plan allows tethering and that you have sufficient data, because without that the hotspot won't pass traffic. Once done, make sure your phone is charged and mobile data is on so the radio stays active. Now navigate directly to Settings and open Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot, depending on your device. I'll show exact taps. On iPhone, it's settings right arrow personal hotspot. On Android, it's settings right arrow network and internet right arrow hotspot. Set a clear, secure password before enabling. Next, you configure the network details so connections are both secure and efficient. Change the SSID to something identifiable, then select WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. This prevents strangers from using your data. Create a strong password with letters and numbers, and if your phone lets you choose an AP band, pick 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for better speed. Also limit allowed devices or enable auto shutoff to prevent unnecessary battery drain and accidental data use when idle. Finally, connect your laptop or tablet by selecting the SSID and entering the password you set. Then test by loading a web page to confirm internet access. If the device connects but you have no internet, toggle mobile data and the hotspot off and on, and reboot your phone. This often clears routing faults. If problems persist, check your APN settings against Cellcard's recommended values or contact Cellcard support. Keep data usage in mind so you don't hit limits during diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.